Hello, my name is METİN Arıdaşır. This is 165th part of explanation of my theory. My new discovery in physics since 1882, I guess. Meta-sensation perception matter is wholly single entity which includes living species. According to my theory and my formulas, 1. All experiments in physics will be imprisoned in metaphysics if all of these experiments are about only observables. Until now, this is the case for the science. Why? Because all observables belong to subjective reality, sensation, perception, living experiences. Sensation, perception, experiences always comprise nothingness, emptiness, space, dark, black, cold, which are metaphysics part of our daily life. These are our a priori inabilities of our sensations and perceptions, mechanisms. Nothingness, space, emptiness, dark, black, cold are boundaries of sensation and perception. They are not real entities. They are not real entities. Accepted experiments can't transcend the metaphysics of subjective reality. All previously done scientific, even materialistic experiments are imprisoned in metaphysics. Still, experiments go on in the same way. Up to now, all physics is metaphysics. We cannot see meta-sensation perception matter directly. We cannot divide meta-sensation perception matter. We can only sense and perceive its effects as objects in our subjective reality, which are results of interactions between intrinsic, immanent, cyclical, or another kind of motion forms of meta-sensation perception matter that includes us in its endless and limitless volume. 2. You cannot divide meta-sensation perception matter as the dark matter and as the observable matter or as atoms. You cannot do that. 3. When electron motion forms exceed the speed of light, they lose their masses. I have told you before, neutrinos are faster than light electrons. 4. Our spontaneously, unconsciously developed measurement tools cannot interact with massless type intrinsic motion forms of meta-sensation perception matter. When electron motion forms exceed the speed of light, they lose their spherical successive waves, remember jets, and therefore they lose their masses. Thus, your conventional measurement tools cannot interact with these motion types of meta-sensation perception matter. This case doesn't mean that there were different kind particles comprise the dark matter. 5. Again, there are two realities: meta-sensation perception matter reality and our subjective reality as living species experiences. Meta-sensation perception matter reality and our subjective reality. There are two realities: meta-sensation perception matter reality and our subjective reality. To achieve the universal reality, the light is the bridge between the two realities. These two realities. 6. Meta-sensation perception matter is transcendent for our sensation and perception. But this single entity is in front of our mind eyes. It is in front of our mind eyes. When you see this unseen wholly, you can't see anything. When you see this matter with your mind eyes completely, you see single thing, but you cannot discern anything. 7. When you bring these two realities together, you start to transcend this duality of realities. Have a good evening. See you later.